world, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the X-Sense Home Security Kit, and this is complete with 6 units. You get all of your mounting materials and hardware here. You have the charging cable and charger unit for the home base, which is this unit right here, all the way on the right. You have the motion sensors right here, 1 and 2, and then you have the brake sensors for doors and windows right here, and it gives you a handy little arming remote control. And you can put this on the front of the house to let people know that you have the X-Sense security kit. So don't come here and steal anything. You can get this now from X-Sense. It's all one complete wireless kit. It connects to an app which you can run very easily. It also has an alarm right here built into the back of the home control unit. And what we like is it's completely wireless and battery operated. And they give you all the batteries to run the different wireless units right here. So it runs over Wi-Fi, runs with an app, and you can use a small remote control. This is the X-Sense Home Security Kit. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.